Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me why Microsoft Surface Pro or Surface Laptop stop charging at 80%. Whatever kind of charger you use, you only can charge until 80% and then the charge stops. So how you can fix the issue? First of all, I will show you in the setting tab. In the power and battery, you see we have the remaining time and we only have the energy saver over here. It's not a problem that caused the 80% stop charging. So what you need to do is you go to Microsoft Store and search for Surface. You find the app called Surface, download it, you install it, and then when you open the app, normally you can see your device over here, but my device has some issues, so it disappeared. But don't worry about that. You can see over here we have Surface Go in 81% of batteries. You need to find batteries and charging. So Microsoft Surface have their own technology. It's called battery smart charging. So what does that mean? It's always active and it can be deactivated on your Surface, and it will automatically limit the batteries to 80%. If it's very annoying, you want to charge to 100%. So when you use some device like iPhone or Android, you will know the functions. We will have the option called optimize battery charging. It's very similar to Microsoft Surface over here. The device will learn from our daily charging routine and it's wait until charging past 80%. So it's kind of similar to Microsoft Surface. You can deactivate it. So what you can do when you need to charge to 100%, it's very easy. Example, you want to use your Surface in 9 a.m. every day, and one day you plug in the charger and it's only have 80% in 9 a.m. So if you want to have 100% at 9 a.m. every day, just very easy. Use the device more often at 9 a.m. So in Monday, you use the Surface in 9 a.m. and you use the Surface about 2 or 3 hours. Similar with Thursday, 9 a.m., Wednesday, 9 a.m., Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you do that more often, every time you plug in the charger, Microsoft Surface will calculate the charging time to have 100% batteries before 9 a.m. every day. It's simple as that. You just need to adjust your using routine more often and using the battery more often, and then your Surface can understand and you can easily charge to 100%. Okay, I hope you guys understand. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next video.